Welcome to another episode of Behind the Scenes Running a Music School. If you don't know me, my name is Brett. I've been running a music school for the last 10 years full-time, and I'm sharing a little bit about what happens behind the scenes, what's happening. These are off the cuff, they're not scripted, so welcome. First thing we're going to be talking about today is that I have just started some online lessons for adults, intermediate level rock guitarists. So one of the biggest things for me as a kid was playing in a group with people every single day. So creating a community of like-minded people at a similar level, and you kind of just learn and grow. And obviously, I'm providing lessons with that group as well. So it's called Next Level Rock Guitarist, and so far we've got 70 members, so it's grown really quickly in the last couple of weeks of me starting it. It's totally free. I'm running live lessons in there. So if you are an intermediate level rock guitarist, you might even be more beginner level, but you're interested in guitar soloing, learning scales, improvising, improving your rhythm and quality of sounds, bar chords, and everything else that goes along with those things, then that might be the group for you. So it's called Next Level Rock Guitarist, intermediate level, and it's on Facebook. So if that is something you might be keen on, jump across. Next thing I'm also doing is songwriting. I've run songwriting groups in the past, but I never really hacked the marketing for it. So this time around, I'm running it totally for free. So you can jump on board and we can get as many people involved in the group. So eventually, at some point, when everyone's really happy with it, they might eventually want to pay for it. It's called Riff and Rhythm. It's for beginner to intermediate level rock music interested songwriters. And we're going to run a weekly collaboration on Tuesday evenings, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to have feedback. It's going to have community posts. So same deal with songwriting is I learned that the best way to do that is in a group and you get feedback and you actually figure out whether your ideas are actually any good and you delegate away things that you're not good at. So for me, I'm not very good at writing lyrics and melodies. So I delegate those things away, and I'm not good at mixing and mastering. So I delegate those things away and I can focus on the things that I like to do, play guitar, produce, sing, and I just give all the other things away to other people. So that's what I want to provide for people. It's free. That currently has 35 members in it. So we're going to do it free as long as we need to get as many people in as we can. Take advantage of that while it lasts. So that's called Riff and Rhythm. It's another Facebook group. Jump across to Facebook and search it up and join in the fun. If you're curious and you need more help, just send me a message and I'll send you a link directly to it. For in-person lessons, we are winding up in a few weeks. We've got a bonus baby week because we're having a baby in April next year. So we want to create 4 weeks there where we can do the thing. So we're running an extra lesson this term. We're also going to be running an extra lesson at the start of next term. So we'll basically have 11 lessons this term and 9 lessons at the start of next year. And then we're going to have another 4-week break in April. And we're also running some holiday extra lessons. So for any kids that want to keep learning through the Christmas break, I'm going to be running some lessons on the 16th and 17th of December. So if you are curious about those, send us a message and we'll sort you out. And we're also working on more social media content, which is really hard. I think we got 3 pieces of content out last week. Sarah's also helping me with this and she was away. So I was trying to figure it all out myself. So yeah, it is a bit of a drain to try and get 7 pieces of content out each week, but it's something that I'm trying to get better at. I'm actually not too bad at actually filming the content. And when I sit down to edit it, I'm actually like, I might film another piece of content. I actually don't mind filming. Editing is just really tedious and it feels like the same thing over and over again, which of course it is. But I'm getting better at it. I'm getting faster at it as well. Hopefully they're getting more engaging. I'm getting better at the whole storytelling part of things and engaging people and creating better bits of material for the algorithm and all those things. But it really is for me just working on getting better and faster at the editing, which I'm not enjoying so much, but yes, because I've got things that I want to edit as well with all my original music things. So yes, social media content, that's what we're doing. So if you're interested in any of those things or you want to learn more or you are trying to get your music or guitar school off the ground, I help with people with those things as well. One of my last clients went from 15 students to 45 students working with me for 3 months. So if you would like some coaching and mentoring to help, it's probably perfect for anybody that's got like 10, 15, 20 students and you want to maybe triple that. You want to get to sort of 45 students. I personally have around 45 in-person lessons at the moment. I also run a music program at a primary school as well. So how to take your students from 5, 10, 15 to 30, 35, 40, 45. Reach out and we can have a chat about what that might look like. Anyways, have a great day. Hope this helped somebody or it's interesting in some way. If you've got any questions, chuck them in the comments. See you on the next video.